Easy steps to follow for a UPI transaction on Pine Labs PoS. Step 1. Press any button to go to User menu. Step 2. Select Run Application and press green button. Step 3. Press green button to enter User menu. Step 4. Select UPI and press green button. Step 5. Select Bank and press green button. Step 6. Select Sale Request and press green button. Step 7. Enter the amount and press green button. Step 8. Customer scans the QR code using his or her bank mobile app supporting UPI. Step 9. Customer authorizes or pays the transaction amount on his or her bank mobile app supporting UPI. Step 10. Charge slip prints if transaction is successful. Step 11. Press Yes to print customer's copy. If the customer is unable to pay within 30 seconds, the transaction initiation slip will get generated. Step 12. To confirm the status of the transaction, the merchant needs to check the last transaction status. For more details, call 0120 4033 600. Email plutus.support@pinelabs.com.